Twitter Edit profile. Are you concerned about how to take advantage of the Twitter Edit profile feature? Editing your profile on Twitter is quite a simple task, and it takes only a few minutes to make certain changes. But if you're running a business through your Twitter profile, you need to use the Twitter Edit profile feature wisely. One of the popular, trending social media sites is Twitter. It lets people communicate in small bursts and is used by pretty much everybody. The nice thing about Twitter is that you can customize your profile settings in an instant. You can do this from your smartphone or your computer, and can be completed in just a few minutes. In the beginning, you might have added several items to your profile that aren't considered to be professional. So, you'd have to remove those items from your profile so you may grow like a reputable brand on Twitter. For instance, you might have used the name of your brand/organization for your Twitter handle so that the users may easily reach out to you. Well, that's definitely a good approach, and many brands are using this technique to reach their target audience. But that's not the case with every brand. Sometimes, your brand's name cannot fit properly in the Twitter handle section. And sometimes, it gets difficult for the users to memorize your Twitter handle. So, how would they be able to contact you if they can't even memorize your handle? Hennes & Mauritz is a popular clothing brand that has been serving internationally for years. But they didn't use the exact name for their Twitter handle because they knew that it will make things difficult for their customers. Instead, they used dating to simplify things for their customers. Now that you've understood the reasons why you should make several changes to your Twitter profile, it's time to take a look at how you can use the Twitter Edit profile feature. A profile photo is a must. Some people think that the profile photo doesn't matter when we're running a brand account on Twitter. But the fact is that the users run away from the profiles that use the egg as their profile picture. If you're running an individual account, you should add a clear photo of yourself. And if you're running a brand/organization's account, you must add your brand's logo in the place of the profile picture. Don't underestimate the cover photo. If you've added a random picture to the cover photo, you won't get any benefit from it. The cover photo is a great opportunity for you to share important information about your brand/organization. So, if you haven't yet used this feature, you need to design an attractive image for your profile's cover photo. And then add it to your profile using the Twitter Edit profile feature. Twitter handle. As we've mentioned above, your Twitter handle plays an essential role in building your reputation on Twitter. So, you must edit your Twitter handle now if you think that the current handle isn't easy to remember. You'd have to wait for a few hours after changing the Twitter handle because the Twitter bot will decide if your new handle is acceptable or not. Twitter bio. Your Twitter bio can also attract a number of people to your profile if you've used this feature wisely. We recommend optimizing your Twitter bio so your profile may appear on top of search results when a user searches for a specific industry. We hope that after reading this article, now you are able to fully change and fix, in short, easily Twitter Edit profile for your Twitter account. In order to learn more from us, click on the link below.